Hey you guys, I am so excited to hop on and highlight this water table that I just got sent by CozyBomb. This thing is awesome. I'm going to do an up close video so you can see all of the different features of it, but I absolutely love this. Water tables are a huge hit at my house. My kiddos absolutely love to come out and play with them, have the best time, and this one is so fun because it has got a ton of different really cool features that keep the kiddos entertained for a really long time. It was super easy put together, really awesome find. This is going to make your summer so much better if you've got littles. So make sure you guys hop on and check this one out, but I'm going to flip the camera and let's look at it closely together. All right, you guys, so I wanted to give you an up-close look at how fun this water table is. There are so many little gadgets and holes for the water to move through. This is seriously so dang fun. It comes with the fishing poles and the little fish, so it comes with all of the things to keep your kiddos engaged and happy, and I am absolutely loving this. So you can see when you pour water, it goes through the different holes, and then it activates the different devices in here. My kids are seriously obsessed with this. They are loving the buckets, they are loving playing with this, and I am loving that we have an awesome outdoor activity. Like I mentioned, really easy to put together, really great use, super functional, super cute legs, just really checks all the boxes. I love water tables and this one is such a great find. Highly recommend. Hop on and check it out, you guys.